Okay, so the black tank is drained, and now I have the black tank flush opened all the way. I also have this cracked a little bit. You see how this will add more water or not, just so that we always have a little water running through the impeller. You can overheat and damage the pump if there's not water running through there. Now there's still solids and stuff in the tank that take a little while, a couple flushes to get out. So Karen is up there filling and flushing the toilet. We've got the black tank flush running, and we'll do this a couple cycles and we'll fill the tank back up. And all that's being ground up and pumped down. It's a pretty clean process. Okay, so Karen is up here using the shower wand to fill the bowl, and then she flushes it, which gives a good whoosh. She's just using the shower wand. She lets it get nearly full, and she does this probably 4 to 5 times or more. We probably do it 6 or 8 times total. We also need to make sure that we've got plenty of fresh water to do this process. Sometimes we've been out of fresh water and couldn't do it. But you can also see that the black tank is now empty. But we're gonna fill it again here in a second. So we basically keep doing this process of flushing and letting it run, and closing the gate and letting it fill back up until we don't get any, we just get clear water out. So here I'm going to go ahead and close the gate, and now I can just stop the pump for a little while, letting the water run. We're letting the black tank fill back up because this is open, but this is throttled back, and we've got no fresh water going into the thing. You want to be careful. This system will probably not easily allow black water stuff to come up into the filter. Obviously we don't want that. Another thing that I should mention here while we're waiting is normally when I run the hose out before I fill the the freshwater tank, I purge the hose. I let it run. Here I'd already hooked it up. It had actually been out overnight, and because I'm flushing and using this water on the waste stream side, I will have flushed the hose before I start putting water through the filter into the fresh tank. We're actually drinking out of the freshwater tank. We run it through a simple water filter, but we are drinking and using the water out of the fresh tank. Okay, so we have been filling for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we're now at 2/3 full on the black tank. And we've done about 5 flushes on the toilet bowl, and we're going to do a few more and drain it again. Okay, so we're back out here ready to go again. Go ahead and open the black valve, start the motor up, and as you can see, we're still getting a lot more yuckies out. And we're just going to let this drain down, and then Karen will start doing a few more flushes. So another thing I should note is I usually do the black tank first. The reason for that, after getting a little bit of water in the line, is then I can flush it with the sink, and then I move over to this side and flush gray tank number 1, which is this one right here. This one over here goes to the washer and dryer, which we're not doing anything with that. And then that way the gray water from the shower is fairly clean and soapy, and then I flush water through the hose, and then we'll blow it out with air. We'll show you all that later. Okay, so we've done a couple flushes after that 2/3 plus fill. I'm going to shut the gate and let a little more water build up in the tank. Turn off the motor, not to burn it up. You see we got a little bit of water flowing there. And then we'll do another flush or 2, and we'll call it done. Okay, all right. We're still getting some stuff out, but Karen just did another flush, and we had a little more water in there. And for this purpose of this video, we're gonna call it good. I mean, we keep doing this process until we get it really good and clean. Okay, so we're running pretty clean. We're going to let the black fill for about 2 minutes. That'll give us about 5-6 gallons of water. I'm going to go ahead and finish draining the kitchen sink, and then we'll move it over and do the gray number 1. Okay, so the last thing I do is I add a shot of liquified, fill it up to the full mark, and that's good for a whole tank. We want to do that on top of that 2 minutes of water, that 5-6 gallons of water that we added, and this helps break down everything and liquefy everything and makes it not smell so bad. And that's it for the black tank.